and welcome to another episode of Culterra's products. Today we're going to discuss lawn dressing, and I'm going to show you quickly how to apply a top dressing to your lawn. So what is lawn dressing? It's a special medium specifically for lawn, and it can be used for a variety of purposes like filling in small ditches or dongas, trying to create a more smooth and even surface on your lawn, and it can also be used in spring after scarification to improve the growth and germination of new grass seeds. So top dressing is best done in spring or autumn, and we're going to do that here. We've got a couple of patches that are a little bit uneven, and I'm just going to show you how to apply the lawn dressing. Right, to create an even layer, the best thing to do is put some of your lawn dressing into a pot or a bucket that you can easily scatter it over the lawn. Right, once you've done that, you can see I've got lawn dressing here. Bagged lawn dressing is always best. It has fewer weed seeds. If you buy something from the side of the road, you're probably going to have a lot of weeds coming up in your lawn, and you don't really want that. So Culterra's lawn dressing is a light medium, well composted with good organic matter that's going to improve the quality of your lawn. And you can just, depending on how much you need, you just want to apply it in a fine layer. Obviously putting a little bit more where you have depressions. I've got one here, like so. So you just apply the correct amount to level the surface. That's for top dressing. If you were scarifying and applying it to a broader surface, you'd obviously apply it equally all over if you already have a smooth lawn surface. And then there's a variety of ways to level it out, but a rake does do the trick. Gently over the surface, and you can see that where I have depressions, my lawn dressing is filling it in. The last thing to do is give it a light water, just so that it settles into those depressions and can feed nutrients into your lawn for a greener grass. That's all from me today. Thank you for joining me.